Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Shadowban on Google Maps. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Google Maps and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.